We picked up the factory lace shoe cleaning kit because my kids' sneakers were starting to look tired, and honestly, I wasn't ready to give up on them yet. So, this kit comes with everything you actually need: the cleaner, the brush, the cloth, so you're not scrambling for extra supplies. We started on a pair of mine actually, and just to test it out and see how well it did. And this has had the dirt along the soles and some scuffs that I've been ignoring. I was surprised how well it worked. A little cleaner goes a long way, you guys, and the brush is firm enough to clean, but not so rough that it feels like it's damaging the shoe. What I really like is that it works on different types of shoes, not just one pair. I've used it on my sneakers, my son's shoes, casual shoes, and they genuinely look fresher after cleaning. Not brand new, but definitely revived. It's easy to use, doesn't have a strong chemical smell at all, and feels like a practical tool you'll actually keep and use instead of trying once and forgetting about it. If you want to clean your shoes without overthinking it or risking ruining them, this kit does exactly what it's supposed to do. I mean, the difference between these is night and day. You can see on the left, these are the sneakers that I have worn while I was mowing the grass accidentally. I forgot that I had them on. And on the right, the cleaning kit is just taking care of business. Now, of course, again, it's not brand new, but it looks a heck of a lot better. What do you think?